Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. This is a simple review for anyone comparing practical products without wasting time. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. U-shaped large base design. The bed rail for toddlers designed by U-shaped large support base increases that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Hidden form folding. This bed rails for twin bed can 180-degree hidden form downward folding, not taking up space. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Strict material selection. This foldable bed rails for toddlers for babies select durable, wear-resistant. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are parent helper, easy care, and daily use. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the Baby Essential looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.